Hi guys, today we're going to try my Christmas party headbands. I already wearing my Christmas party headbands. I'll show you because my Christmas party is already done. It was December 18. I'll show you guys. First we have my dress. Bruh, you could see. This one. This is what I wear in Christmas party. Do you want to see it? Wait. Tada! I wear this in Christmas party. This is so soft. I wish I could wear this every day. I really want to wear this when I was grade 2. But my classmates still remembers everything. Sometimes I get a little down. I didn't bring this bag because it doesn't fit my stuff in there. I didn't bring this bag because my stuff wasn't enough. This is so pretty. Pretty little baby. Oh, baby. Guys, do you want to see my mom and dad's gift for Christmas? I'll show you. This one. My mom, I'll give them 100. This is for Christmas. I couldn't write so well. That's why I write so bad. I'm the one who made this. I didn't need help. I think I accidentally forgot. This was my mom. But I accidentally forgot my dad who take care of us. Bye. Ouch. Guys, I'm gonna take this.